Meteorologist Hannah Ronner with Viper 13 real-time radar.
Welcome back. It is currently 12:18 for your Thursday afternoon live look at downtown Myrtle Beach right along the boardwalk. Plenty of people out there as well as along the beaches enjoying the afternoon sunshine because as we know earlier this morning we couldn't even see that hotel in this camera. The fog was so dense and it's actually supposed to be foggy for tomorrow morning as well, but the fog advisory lifted 3 hours ago or so. So we're looking great right now. Radar and satellite imagery is showing plenty of sunshine for South Carolina and most of North Carolina, but low pressure is creating some nasty weather for the rest of the Ohio Valley. Some snow out there as well. Good thing that's not us. But Viper 13 real-time radar is looking great out there. No rain expected for today, not until we get to this weekend actually. But temperatures right now ranging from 66 in North Myrtle Beach to 70 in Myrtle, already up to 79 in Florence and 75 for Laurinburg. And in comparison to the last 24 hours or so, along the coast, we're actually going to be colder by, 2 to 5 degrees or so. But looking at Camden, it's actually 9 degrees warmer than noon yesterday. And looking at the futurecast, we actually have a pretty interesting synoptic setup going on out here. High pressure over New England is actually vital for this to happen. It's actually a cold air damming event, and that's going to be thanks due to this warm front right here. So cold air damming is when we have high pressure over New England that advects cold air into the southeast. But due to the presence of the Appalachian Mountains, the cold air actually gets trapped because it's denser, so it actually hangs out near the surface. The good news is the colder air actually won't affect our counties, but it will affect some parts of South Carolina. And as we get into Friday, we're going to see this cold front sweep through during the overnight hours. Going into the futurecast for today, we're zooming in during the same time. This is right now, still southerly flow keeping us warm today. But over here, we can actually see where the wedge is going to be, where these two arrows are colliding. You have cold air colliding with the warm air. So we can see that it's actually not going to be in our counties, but it should be colder to the northwest of our viewing area. And into the Friday night look, you can see where the cold front is through parts of Horry County and all the way through Whiteville. That'll move offshore, take the clouds with it, but by Saturday afternoon, the clouds are back and we have northerly flow to keep us much colder for Saturday, and that's going to continue into Sunday as well. We'll have a 40% chance of rain. We're going to have a line of showers move through, but that'll be gone by the evening and it'll be clear by midnight on Monday. Headlines for today, going to get on the cloudier side as we progress into the afternoon and evening times, and it's just slightly cooler for today. But for Friday, we're talking record-breaking temperatures in Myrtle Beach, Florence, and Lumberton. And this is all leading up to a weekend cold front, and it's going to be noticeably colder for Saturday and Sunday. High temperatures for today, talking lower 60s along the Grand Strand throughout the PD, middle 70s, and along the border belt, couple of Cheraw and Laurinburg still going to be in the 60s, but nonetheless, it's still going to be mild for tonight. We're ranging all the way from 54 to 57, and this little darker blue and green area, that's where the cold air damming is going to be. So you can expect the colder temperatures to the northwest of our viewing area. But looking into the 7-day forecast, still going to be in the 70s for the next couple of days. Huge temperature decrease from Saturday into Sunday. Will be near 60 on Saturday, but in the upper 50s on Sunday where we get that chance of rain as well. And looking inland, very likely we're going to be breaking records for tomorrow. The record's 83 and inland is being forecasted at 84, down to the 50s for Sunday and Monday, but we'll be back in the 60s later next week.